Oh, did we order something for Ate Gina?
She said she's coming na daw, so we did not order for her. Parang okay naman, hindi naman sila.
She did it!
Yeah, hello! Happy birthday! Thank you for coming. You made it. Wala pa naman. Appetizer lang. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, para may experience lang. Here.
It's a nonsense life. Nonsense life po.
Okay. For this one, mabuti nakalabas ka ng maaga.
Welcome in. How are you doing? Good. Awesome. I'll give you some water in a moment. Look at our menu. You have options from that at the moment.
Kasi natuloy ang
Awesome. I'll get that one out here for you. I'll treat you in a moment. So yeah, you can get over
Hello, Ryan. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. Sino pa? Lilia. Dito si Lilia. Nanonood si Lilia Casano. Oh, ayan si Genevieve. Parang kaming magnet. We're always together. We'll watch you live then.
alam mo kung walang tumulong, hindi natin kaya yun.
Ate Lilia Casano, happy birthday, beautiful lady. Thank you. Thank you, ate.
Akala ko na ako ang matatakot.
Birthday ko today. Bakit di ako sinama? Oh, ayan, Genevieve. Nagtanong na si Ate Lilia, bakit di ako sinama? Ate Lilia, dapat daw mag-jolly hiker ka muna. You have to climb the mountain.
Oh, she's Mama Lilia?
Yeah, that's Lilia, your friend. Lilia Casano, di ba? That's her. Nagtanong siya, bakit daw din niyo sinama? Jolly hiker! Ate Lilia, it's requirement. You have to climb 6 hours. Climb the mountains first. Yeah. Before you can be in this group. Yeah. Difficult yung mga hiking namin, Ate Lilia. So, I'm with the Jolly Hikers. Ate, wala. Okay, next time. Miss you, ladies. I miss you too, Ate Lilia.
Yeah, she didn't order yet. Yeah, she just got it. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Miss you too, Ate Lilia, Sophie, and Genevieve.
She just found out that that's crap. So, Ate Rose, buti hindi tayo mukhang yagot palagi. At least naka-dress up tayo tonight. Kasi pag yung picture pa I was lucky, hindi ako nag-cruise doon sa
I have a couple of bruises. Yeah, I have bruises here. When I got home, I said, oh,
Naano ka ba? Nag-bump ka?
yeah, I think yung mga bato-bato. Yeah.
Ako wala talaga.
Yeah, I was very careful.
I was lucky that I didn't get bruises. Yeah, but that was really difficult. But if accident happens, oh my God. No, we're very lucky. Kasi wala nang baka. Yeah. Buti hindi tayo punahan nandun tayo. I think God is going to make us alive here. Kasi nga, nung nasa Habasok Coast tayo, a week later, pagbalik na namin, binaha na naman yung Habasok Coast.
Nalasing na ako. There's alcohol. Yeah, that's my first one. Alcohol. Yeah. Ano yung sa'yo? Wine? Wine? Oh, is it okay? You didn't like it? Ito, I like it kasi it's sweet. But they don't start like a salad though. Yeah. Because there's a couple that's having a plastic. Pinakaya ng lola. O nga, Ate Lilian. Next time na lang. We're gonna celebrate Ili's birthdays next Thursday.